OpenAI just released its GPT Store, and this is a complete game changer. So I want to take a quick moment to show you how you can access the GPT Store, and also if you've created GPTs yourself, how you can make sure that your GPT is in the store and how to make sure it's appropriately labeled for finding and things like that. So first off, we're in ChatGPT, and if your sidebar is not already open, you'll go here. This is for GPT Plus account users. I don't believe it's for the GPT or ChatGPT, more the general users, those who aren't paying for the program or the subscription here. So you're going to go over here if you're a ChatGPT Plus subscriber. You're going to go over to Explore GPTs, and here we have it. Here you can search all the different GPTs. So I just heard of a new one that a colleague on LinkedIn created called Chicago GPT. You can search for it. Yep, Marley Rosario. There it is. Here's the GPT. You can see that. So that's how quickly you can find those GPTs if you already know what you're looking for, a specific one. Or you can kind of look through the featured picks. There's categories for writing. So here's some for writing, productivity, research and analysis. You can even click see more and see more GPTs as well, besides the first top 6 here. It looks like some of these rankings are based on usage, like how many people are actually using them. So you can kind of go through and see the different ones: programming, education, lifestyle, and so on. So if you already have a GPT, so say you've already created your GPTs, I have a couple here on the left-hand side of the screen, like a PD Pocket Guide I created, Arizona State Policy GPT, cost calculator for calculating costs of retention costs, employee retention costs, uh, GPT for grant writing. But if you already have some GPTs, we'll go show this one right here. So under my GPTs, and let's take this one. This one is the one I created for government job descriptions. It's trained specifically on like the ICMA job board, the SGR job board, a couple of job descriptions I kind of uploaded to it. So what you can do here is, this is where you create your GPT, configure it, things like that. But what you can do here to make sure that your GPT is in the store, you're going to go over here to save, and you're going to want to select everyone. If you do only me or anyone with a link, that will not have it in the GPT store. But in addition to that, this new feature now is you can select the category. So you can select, hey, it's for maybe it's image generation, so it's DALL-E, it's for productivity, research and analysis. For this one, because it's writing job descriptions, I'm going to put it in the writing category, confirm, and we'll click over here, click save. Yep, perfect, confirm. One more time just to make sure, view GPT, and here it is. And now if we go back to explore GPTs, go to writing, what I should be able to see here, if I just type in job descriptions, and sure enough, there it is, right there. The GPT Store government job description generator is right there. So that's how easy it is to access the store. There's so many GPTs out there. Really, I would like to have a little better model in terms of being able to find other GPTs. Maybe that just gets better with time and usage of my into things. But some of the ones that I know folks are creating, especially in the local government context, I would love to have the ability to kind of search for that. Right now, I kind of already have to know what that name is or search for a certain thing and see it that way. So let's do a quick search here. We'll just do local government and see what kind of GPTs we find here. So have a couple here. Have one by Robert Hyatt, a guy on LinkedIn. Some of the ones bylaw, a couple of them here. So a few GPTs here, which are pretty cool. Let's look at GovAssist by Robert here. Um, this is pretty cool. So it says it's in the pre-prompt or help me develop social media content. Yeah, this is pretty cool about the task and purpose or topic and purpose, target audience, platform considerations. That's pretty well done. Good job, Robert. That's awesome. So this is pretty cool in terms of the different ways. I'd love to see, obviously, being passionate about local government and AI usage in local government. I'd love to see more and more of these GPTs for the local government sector. So if you are creating GPTs in the local government sector, please let me know because I want to add them to my kind of my own GPT library and start using them, start playing around with them. So let me know in the comments below on this video. Like I said, this is gonna be a quick video. I just want to take a quick moment to show you how you can access and how you can start leveraging those GPTs, how you can make sure that those GPTs are actually in the App Store or in the GPT Store rather, if you so desire. So pretty cool. Take a look, go explore those. Take a look at the city job description or the government job description generator as well too, if you're so interested. So thank you so much. As always, like, subscribe, and hope you enjoy the content. If you do, please do that. And until next time, be well.